What do we do now?
You want the truth? I think it's time for me to go. This world's not ready for me yet, and I'm not ready for it. I don't know. Maybe I'll try coming back in another 1,000 years, when I'm a little more mature.
Well, that's a very mature thing to say right there. I think you're on your way.
Well, before I go, Peter, there's something I want to give you. Hold out your hands.
Well, I guess that's it then. Jesus is gone.
I sure am gonna miss him.
Me too. Although he did give me something right before he disappeared.
What?
Something very special, Lois.
What is it, Dad?
What, you haven't heard?
Crap!
A well a bird, bird, bird. A bird's a word, a well a bird, bird, bird. A bird's a word, a well a bird, bird, bird. A bird's a word, a...
Oh, well, everybody's heard about the bird. Bird, bird, bird. The bird's a word,